In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a non-breaking space into a Microsoft Word document. This might sound a bit technical at first, but I promise it's a simple and handy trick that can improve the formatting of your documents. A non-breaking space is essentially an invisible character that prevents a line of text from splitting and helps keep your desired words together on the same line. Now let's get started, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to open up the Microsoft Word file in which you'd like to insert a non-breaking space. Make sure you have the document open on your screen, ready to make changes. This is important because context is key. You need to know exactly where you want the non-breaking space to go. You might wonder, why would I need to do this? Well, if you have elements of text that must not be separated, like a date or a name with a title, using non-breaking spaces ensures they stay together when the text flows onto a new line. Once you have your document open, place your cursor exactly where you want to insert the non-breaking space. Think about the words you want to keep on the same line. This is where the non-breaking space magic comes in. It's like applying a little bit of glue to stick those segments of text together, making your document cleaner and more professional looking. Next, navigate to the Insert tab at the top of Microsoft Word. This tab is your gateway to many useful tools, including the insertion of symbols. Click on Symbol, which you'll find on the far right end of the toolbar, and then select More Symbols from the drop-down menu. This option will open up a new window full of various symbols you can use in your document, but don't let that overwhelm you. We'll be focusing on one specific feature here. In the new window, you'll see different tabs. Click on the Special Characters tab. This is where you'll find a delightful array of non-typical characters that can enhance your document in various ways. Scroll down until you find Non-Breaking Space. Select it and then click on Insert. And voila! You've inserted a non-breaking space where your cursor was positioned. A simple step, but it ensures that your chosen words remain side by side, no matter how the text shifts as you edit or resize your document. Now that you have inserted the non-breaking space, you're essentially done. This small adjustment can make a big difference in maintaining the integrity and readability of your document, especially if similar formatting issues arise while editing. Thank you for following along. Hopefully, this quick guide makes the difference in your next Word project. Feel free to revisit this video whenever you need a refresher on creating seamless, polished documents. Happy typing!